Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix unable to access Event Viewer on a remote computer. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type REGEDIT, right click on Registry Editor, run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now guys, before do anything, backup your registry editor if you need, so you can access your backup. To backup registry editor, click on File, Export. Here select all and save registry editor name, then save it. Now let's start to resolve this problem. Firstly, expand HKey local machine, then expand software. Now in here expand Microsoft. Here you will see Microsoft, so expand it. Now in this list guys, you need to find out COM32, double click on it. Now here guys, you will see remote access enabled, so double click on it. Make validata as 1, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. So thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.